Stroke occurs when the blood supply to the brain is interrupted, often when arteries are blocked or ruptured. Recognizing the signs and symptoms of stroke is critical to early intervention, especially since these signs are often subtle. The signs of stroke include sudden onset of severe headache, loss of consciousness, facial droop, limb weakness, abnormal speech. When responding to potential stroke patients, complete a FAST assessment and call 112 or 999 immediately. Face. Does the face droop? Arm. Does the arm drift down? Speech. Does the speech sound normal? Time. To call 112 or 999.
Jenny and her granny May, on an ordinary day, when they're in the kitchen, Granny started to sway. Granny sounded strange when she spoke, and Jenny had to ask, what if my granny's having a stroke? I think I better act fast. I think I better act fast. Does her face look a little bit uneven? Does one arm drift down? Is her speech coming out kind of strangely? Then it's time to call 112. Jack and his favorite friends were having lunch in town. When Sean looked up, half his face drooped down. Sean wasn't making a joke, so Jack had to ask, what if my buddy is having a stroke? I think I better act fast. I think I better act fast. Does his face look a little bit uneven? Does one arm drift down? Is his speech coming out kind of strangely? Then it's time to call 112. Helen and Bob were walking at their favorite time of day. Helen turned to Bob and said, my arm is not okay. Her arm was limp inside her coat, and so Bob had to ask, what if Helen is having a stroke? I think I better act fast. I think I better act fast. Does her face look a little bit uneven? Does one arm drift down? Is her speech coming out kind of strangely? Then it's time to call 112. Stroke can happen anywhere, morning, noon, or night. And every minute after that, more brain cells die. Our heroes acted quickly, and so they all have hope. Precious time and emergency care. You can beat a stroke. You can beat a stroke. Call fast for any sign of stroke. It's what you gotta do. Call fast, call 112. The one you love is depending on you. Someone's depending on you. Someone's depending on you. Someone's depending on you. Someone's depending on you.
Your instructor will now take you through the steps of a FAST assessment in your groups.